Hello, good day, viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the Cramer's rule. So first we are given this 2x plus 3y plus z and rest. We are asked to find it, or let's say to find the value of x, y, and what, and z using what? Using the Cramer's rule. So the Cramer's rule, if we are going to find the value of what? The value of x, it is equals to what? The determinant of what? X over what? Over the general determinant. So therefore, y, it is equals to what? The determinant of what? Determinant of y over what? Over our determinant. And therefore, z, it is equals to determinant of what? Determinant of z over what? Over our determinant. So therefore, how can we find the determinant? And also, how can we find what? Determinant of z? And also, how can we find determinant of what? Determinant of x. So let's see how can we do that. Let us find our general determinant as usual. So we have to form a matrix. Let's take the coefficient, which is 2, 4, 3, 1, and therefore 1 also, 5, 3, 2, and what? And 2. So this is what? The determinant. This is our general what? Determinant. So how can we find determinant of what? Of this matrix. To find the determinant of this matrix, let me say determinant. I will say 2 brackets. I will delete this, I will delete this. I'm having what? 1, 5, 2, and 2. 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2, minus 2 multiplied by what? 5, which is 10, and therefore 2 minus what? Minus 10, it is equals to what? Minus 8. So therefore I'm having minus 8, close bracket, negative sign. So therefore I'm having 3. I will delete this, I will delete this. I'm having what? 4, 5, 3, and what? And 2. 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. And therefore 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15. So therefore 8 minus what? 8 minus 15, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 7. Sorry, minus 7. So therefore I'm having negative what? Negative 7. So therefore I'm having what? Positive sign and then 1. So therefore, I will delete this, I will delete this. I'm having 4, 1, 3, and what? And 2. So therefore, 4 multiplied by 2, which is what? 8, minus what? 3 multiplied by 1, which is what? 3. And therefore, I'm having what? 5. So therefore, this is what? 5. So 2 multiplied by negative 8, I will have what? Negative what? Negative 16. So therefore, minus 3 multiplied by what? Minus 3 multiplied by what? Minus 7, which is what? I'm having what? Positive what? 21. So therefore, plus what? 1 multiplied by what? 1 multiplied by 5, which is what? Which is 5. So therefore, minus 16 plus what? Plus 21. So I'm having what? 5. So therefore, 5 plus 5, which is what? Which is equals to 10. So therefore, let me find the determinant of what? The determinant of x. So therefore, the determinant, our normal determinant, it is what? We all know is 10. So therefore, it's 10. So how can we find the determinant of what? Determinant of x. For me to find the determinant of x, let me say dx, delta x or dx, it is equals to what? I'm looking forward to dx, so I have to eliminate the complete what? The complete column that consists of what? X. I will put what? 1, 2, 3, the equal sign, which is 1, 2, and what? And 3. So therefore, okay, sorry, not plus. I will have what? 3, 1, 2, 1, 5, and what? And 2. So therefore, I will find the determinant of what? Of this matrix. I will say 1, which is equals to 1. I delete this, I delete this. 1 times 2, which is 2, minus what? 5 times 2, which is what? Which is 10, and it is equals to what? It is equals to minus what? Minus 8. So therefore, I'm having what? Minus 8 here. So therefore, I will close the brackets. So therefore, for 3, I will say minus what? Minus 3. I will delete this, I will delete this. So therefore, I'm having what? 2, 2, 3, and what? 5. 2 times 2, which is what? Which is 4, minus 5 times 3, which is what? Which is 15. So therefore, I'm having what? Minus 11, and therefore plus what? Plus 1. So, therefore 1, I will delete this and I will delete this. I'm having 2 times 2, which is what? 4, minus what? 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 1 times 3, which is 3, which is equals to what? Positive what? Positive 1. If I multiply by 1, it is the same thing as what? As 1. Therefore, 1 multiplied by what? 8, I'm having what? Negative 8 minus, minus 3 multiplied by 4, minus 11. I will end up having what? Positive what? Positive 33 plus what? Plus 1. So therefore, let me press in the calculator. If I have minus 8 plus what? Plus 33 plus what? Plus 1, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 20 what? 26. So therefore, the determinant of what? Determinant of x is what? Is 26. The determinant of x, it is equals to what? 26. So now let's see the determinant of what? The determinant of what? The determinant of y. To find the determinant of y, I will just see the column that consists the whole y, and I will remove the what? The value of what? Of the coefficient of the y, and I will insert what? I will insert this 1, 2, 3, the equal part that I have. So therefore, I will say 2, 4, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 5. Okay, 1, 5, and what? And 2. So therefore, to find the determinant of what? Of this matrix, I have 2. I will delete this, I will delete this. 2 times 2, which is 4, and 3 multiply 4. 3 multiplied by 5, which is what? 15. I'm having what? Minus 11. Minus what? Minus 11. So therefore, let's move to 1. If I delete this, I delete this. I'm having 4, 5, 3, and what? 2. 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8, minus what? Minus 3 multiplied by 5, which is what? Which is 15. So therefore, it is equals to what? It is equals to minus 7. So therefore, minus what? Minus 7. And therefore, plus what? Plus 1. So therefore, I will delete this, I will delete this. 4 multiplied by 3, which is what? Which is equals to 12. 4 times 3, which is 12. And therefore, minus what? Minus 6. I'm having what? 6. 12 minus what? 12 minus 6, which is equals to 6. 2 multiplied by what? Minus 11, which is 22, which is positive what? Positive 7. I'm having negative 22. Minus 1 multiplied by what? Minus 7. I'm having what? 7. Plus what? Plus 1 times 6, which is what? Which is 6. If I say minus 22 plus what? Plus 7 plus what? Plus 6, which is equals to what? Which is equals to minus 9. So therefore, this is what? The y is the determinant of y, which is equals to what? Which is equals to minus 9. So therefore, let's see the determinant of what? The determinant of z. So therefore, the z, which is equals to 2, 4, 3, and 3, 1, and 2. Since we are looking for the determinant of z, so we have to eliminate those values on what? The coefficient of z in what? In a column of what? Of z. And we are going to insert this equal sign, which is 1, 2, and what? And 3. So therefore, let's also find its determinant. So therefore, 2, I will delete this. I will delete this. 1 times 3, which is what? 3 minus what? 2 times 2, which is what? 4, and it is equals what? Minus 1 minus what? Bracket into 3. This is what the negative sign that we have as usual, and therefore I have to multiply by what? By 3. So therefore, for 3, I will delete this. I will delete this. I delete this. So therefore, I'm having 4, 2, 3, and what? 3. 4 times 3, which is what? 4 times 3 is 12 minus 3 times 2, which is 6. So therefore, it is equals to what? 6. So therefore, I'm having what? 6 bracket plus what? 1 in general. So therefore, let me solve for 1. If I delete this, I'm having 4, 1, 3, and what? 2. 4 times 2, which is 8, minus 3 times 1, which is what? 3. Therefore, it is equals to 5. So therefore, I'm having what? I'm having what? I'm having 5. So therefore, I will have minus 2, and therefore what? Minus what? Minus 18 plus what? Plus 5. So therefore, minus 2 what? Minus what? Minus 18 plus 5. It is equals to what? It is equals to minus what? Minus 15. So therefore, as you can see, we already find the x. First, determinant dx, dy, and dz. So therefore, the value of x. The value of x, it is equals to what? It is equals to dx over what? Over determinant. So therefore, dx, it is what? It is 26 over what? Over 10. And therefore, y, it is equals to the what? It is equals to dy over the determinant, which is equals to dy, which is minus what? Minus 9 over 10. And therefore, z, it is equals to what? It is equals to dz over what? Over determinant, which is equals to what? Minus what? Minus 15 over determinant, which is 10. So therefore, you can leave your answer like this. If you like, you can simplify it. So therefore, what? This is what? This is Cramer's rule. So therefore, in this video, I solved the question under what? Cramer's rule, using Cramer's rule, sorry, because you can use Gaussian elimination, Gauss-Jordan elimination to what? To solve this problem. So I hope this video is more clear and it is more helpful to you in what? In Cramer's rule. And do share to your friends for them to know more about what Cramer's rule. And feel free to DM me if you are interested in what? In some engineering courses, or you have some problem under it. And don't forget to like, comments, and what? And subscribe. Thank you for watching.